Cupping therapy. Have you ever heard? Have you ever seen? If you have not, I will bring you along with me today just to get a glimpse of what my therapist will be trying on me today. Now, you guys, this is week 3 post-operative therapy treatment. And I'm going to stop you by and let you see me mix a drink. Yes, I like trying experimental drinks, just mixing things together. And then I will bring you with me to therapy. So you guys, I hope you will enjoy as I bring you along to cupping therapy. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Faison, and yes, we are back with another drink experiment. As you can see here by my glass, I have poured me a drink, and I'm also going to give you an update of my surgery that I had of my shoulder. This week is week number 3, a much better week than when I came on with week number 1. Actually, I am able to move a little bit more. I have been able to get rid of the brace. I am to use the sling only when I basically go out. And this is my ice pack that you see here attached. This blue apparatus here attaches to a bucket, which you are to keep with ice. So generally what my husband does is he has 3 or 4 bottles of water on rotation, and when the bucket is not cold enough, the water and the ice has melted, or the water has come to room temperature, he will change it out and add those bottles into a base of ice and water to keep it cold. So I just keep this attached throughout the day, and by keeping ice on, or the ice pack on, it helps with the pain, as far as pain management. This is what you see here, and today I'm going to have for my snack is going to be the cranberry health mix, and that noise that you hear is my refrigerator. So for some reason it wants to start up. It's about, my refrigerator is about like the birds. When I'm recording outside, the birds want to sing, and when I'm recording on the inside, my ice maker wants to make all the noise. So we're going to go ahead and ignore that. But here, to try to wake those muscles up and get things flowing again. So we're going to cut I'm telling you guys, I have learned to do a lot with the left hand. So I'm going to pour my nuts into here. And these are very, very good. And I think I got this from either Sam's or TJ Maxx. And the drink for today is aloe vera. It's called the Vera drink, and it's aloe health and hydrate pure natural pulp. And I think I may have picked this up from the Dollar Tree, but it's natural aloe vera pulp. It says may aid with digestion, promotes natural skin hydration, and promotes healthy metabolism. So I am going to mix this with some pineapple juice, which I have done already, and I've drank some already. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap it off with so I'm going to use the entire can of the pineapple juice, and then I'm going to go ahead and add me a little bit more of this aloe vera drink. Now you guys, to me, it's healthy drink. It's a healthy drink and it's a delicious drink. So next, you guys, you will see me in therapy with the cupping technique for therapy. So continue to watch and enjoy.
So right here we've applied 2 different cups to the muscles. And you can see from the side we've pulled the skin up to the line. We're bringing blood flow to the area, making sure we can relax out those muscles. Alright, so we have 2 cups on here to focus on working on the knots in her neck and trying to get those muscles to relax. So they've been sitting on there for about 5 minutes now. Let's go ahead and take them off. There we go. And then we'll massage out the area, making sure that we apply some motion. Gently through there. And just gentle pressure, pushing all the way along that muscle. And push. And back. Good. And push. Back.
So what I'm doing here is using my left hand to move my right arm back and forth with the cane. Hey guys, look, we made it to the end. Now if you're new to my channel, let me say to you now, I welcome you and I thank you for stopping by. If you want to become a part of my family, just hit that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified of any up and coming uploads. Yes, there will be more home decor and tablescapes and all that coming, but I've got to get through this first. So I'd love for you guys to continue the journey with me. Be blessed, take care, and until I see you all again, thank you. What did you guys think about the cupping therapy? Let me know in the comment section.